I'm not even sure if I've even got this the correct way, but basically the idea was, let me rotate this around. So this thing should sit about here and come up right here, and the tuner will slide right into that thing. Now, I can't particularly think of a way to stop it from going too far, but it should sit around these screws. I should be able to like remove the screws and screw the tuner in there or something or whatever. It should just be a little bit easier for me to attach the tuner. Another option is maybe print some brackets or something, but I think I can print this, and I do have a slight lip right here because it's not exactly the same width. Starting to get that COVID cough now. Anyway, I do see we have a little funky lip inside of here. We're just gonna go ahead and like print this goofy little prototype and just see what we get, okay? And the idea is you should be able to hold the tuner. I can't think of what else to add to it at this point. I just want the tuner to be able to kind of slide into it right here. It'll sit above the top. You shouldn't be able to go too far because you got the antenna connector there, and we don't want it to block the screen. So, anything else is going to be harder to print. So this is going to print vertical, and it's going to be a real pain. This would be best printed flat, and I need to actually see if that's possible. So to print this one flat, I think would probably be the best method, and I'll have to. It won't be able to print on any of the printers that I'm used to using, so it'll have to be one of the older ones, or the Sunlu S9, or the this ft891 Plus, which I have not had a real great luck with it in particular. Let's see. So are we not flat on this side? As long as it's this issue right here, I should be able to take this and I should be able to slice this one. I think that with the proper supports and things like that, this, would print just fine, but it will also print with no supports if you print it flat. But it's not going to print on these other printers. So, also, if you were to print it flat, but it was flat the other way, you could even have a little leg that comes out here to go across the back, like that. That was another idea I had. Also, I was thinking maybe I could print another half that goes all the way across, and you drill out some holes and screw the pieces together. I mean, I really don't know, but for now, I've been working on this for quite a while, so we're just going to try and see which printer will print it and go from there. So this is the design, and this is where I'm at.